All right, I'm going to show you a quick use of Angular directives. So in this particular case, what we've done, here's a website we put together to demo for a client, and you can see I'm not signed in. So if I were to click on memberships, and I did this just for specific dynamic content, instead of using DNN roles or using the CMS, they're actually logging into the store, and then we're using an Angular directive. This is based on the role or the user within the store. We can do anything we want. We can show different content, we can show different pages, we can show different products, we can do anything. So without signing in, if I come over here and go to the membership page, you can see that there's nothing on this page. There's a little banner down here at the bottom, and that banner happens to be part of this footer. So theoretically, I've got the navigation up top and then no page content whatsoever. And if I come back over here where I'm actually logged into DNN and I go to edit that page, you'll see that there's nothing displayed on the page. However, if I actually go to edit the content of this module, you'll see that I actually have an affiliate member section, an undergraduate section, a graduate student section, and a postdoctoral section. So I actually have a ton of content on this page. You just can't see it. And the reason is because it's an Angular directive that decides what to display it. So if I go into my source code, you can see I've got this Angular directive that basically says, hey, if my security service has a role of affiliate member, and then I can do anything I want. In my case, I'm like, display the affiliate banner, and then say I'm an affiliate member, and then go ahead and put the affiliate membership dues graphic, and then I actually linked it to the affiliate membership page, undergraduate page under the product. So basically, I'll show you what this looks like now. I'm going to go grab. So here I am at that website. However, you can see now I've signed in as an undergrad. So now if I were to come down here and learn more about memberships, when it takes me to the membership page, you can see now here's that section, right? So now I've got this great page. It says undergraduate. It's got the dues. Now I just linked the graphic, but normally I'd have a button down here that says join now. But if I click here now and click on the graphic, it actually takes me right to the cart and says, oh, you're an undergraduate. So here is the membership undergraduate for 1 year, and I can purchase the membership. So in this particular case, and the same thing is true with the graduate, right? The graduate's the same thing. If I come over here and I say, oh, I want to know more information, and I go in, you can see now it's the graduate student. And if I hover, you can see down the URL at the bottom there, product/SFN graduate student membership. So in this particular case, what I did was I actually used an Angular directive because when I put this demo together, I didn't have single sign-on, I didn't have DNN roles created, I didn't have anything tied to the CMS, and I didn't want to be tied to a specific CMS. In my case, when they logged into the store, I wanted them to have different information specific to the role, graduate student. So when they clicked and went to pay the dues and clicked the button to join, it would go to that product. So it was really all tied only to the e-commerce store front. So I went in and again, Angular directive. So I used an ng statement asking for a specific role. And then I created those 4 user accounts and I had one assigned to each role. So now as each role logs into the website, they see the specific content, they see the specific graphic, and then they saw the specific link to an affiliate membership versus undergrad, graduate, postdoctoral. So even though you didn't see anything on the screen here, that's because the Angular directive went and checked, and I'm logged in as the administrator, so it's not displaying anything on the page. That's why when I did the first screenshot, the presentation, and there was nothing on the page, that's why, because I wasn't logged in, so there was no membership tied to a visitor. So you could have just generic marketing information on that page displayed if there's no role, right? You could put a statement if there's no role, display this generic graphic, but as soon as somebody logs in, then it looks and changes kind of like what I showed. Thanks for watching.